Today we are going to talk about when we want to talk about one thing, a dog, an apple, and when we want to talk about 3 dogs, 2 apples, what's the differences between them? Alright, so can anyone tell me what's this? This is a dog, right? And what's this? This is an apple, right? This is an apple. This is a dog. How many dogs here? Here only have what? 1, right? And here only has 1 apple. So every time when you want to talk about one thing, you need to use a or an. But when do we use a? When do we use an? Well, a is for dog. So we put a here. N is for apple. So we put N here. But why? Why we put a here? We put N here. Alright, let me tell you. Can you see here? The first letter. Alright? The first letter, what's the first letter here? A, right? And the first letter is D for dog, right? So A in our English was A. Can anyone tell me what's A? Alright. A is we call vowel, right? Vowel. Alright. A is a vowel. So we have 5 vowels in our English. There are A, E, I, O, and U. Alright? A, E, I, O, U. We call vowel here. So A, E, I, O, U. Every time when you see these 5 letters, they are really strong. Alright? They are really, really special. So you need to put N for A, E, I, O, U. When you see the first letter is A, E, I, O, U. You need to put N to talk about one thing. But if you don't see any of them in the first letter, D is not A, it's not E, I, O, U, right? You just put A for one thing, alright? A dog, an apple, right? Okay, so let me give you an example. Like a dog, what thing? What else? Like chair, right? You are sitting on your chair. So you only see one chair, right? So chair is a, alright, let me write here. A chair. Right? So you only see C here, a chair. Right? Okay. When we are eating orange, alright, orange. Orange is, how do you spell orange? O-R-E-N-G-E, right? Orange is what? 橘子, right? So orange, and orange. You can see O here, right? So N is for O, like here, O, right? O is our vowel, so you need to put N. Good? Alright. Then we need to look next. Alright, let's look at here. When we want to talk about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, lots of things, we need to put S. Where do we put S? In front of it or after it? Alright, let's see here. How many dogs are here? Here is like what? 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs, right? And what about here? It has like what? There are 2 apples, right? And there are 3 dogs, right? So every time when we want to talk about 2 or more things, we need to plus S here. So when do we plus? Like here, alright? Here, S. Dogs. 2 dogs. 3 dogs. 4 dogs. 5 dogs. Alright? And every time when you want to say about apples, you need to put S. Alright? So apples. 2 apples. 3 apples. Right? So dogs. Apples. But there are a lot of rules in English, so we need to have 4 rules here. So the other rule is about ES, alright? ES. So every time when you want to put ES, when do we put ES? Here, can you see here? You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kinds of words. First one is about as. Every time when you see as is the last letter, the last one, you need to put es. Alright? And every time when you see sh, you need to put what? Es too. Alright? Good? Okay. And church, ch is what? Ch, right? Ch. So you need to put es here. Alright? Good? Okay. And then x. Every time when you say x is the last letter, then you need to put es too. Alright? So we put es here too. Okay? And the last one. Oh. Alright? Oh. When you see O here, you need to put es too. Good? So S, SH, ch, 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 X, and O, we need to put what? ES, right? We need to put ES. To talk about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. 10 tomatoes. Alright? And next, IES. Alright. When do we put IES? Here is really, really, really special one. So, when every time when we see Y, alright, Y here. Can you see Y here? Alright, what's this word? It's baby, right? Baby. We were baby when we are young, right? So baby, Y. When you see Y here, you need to what? Kill Y. Kill Y. Alright? So you will be like this. Baby. Alright. You don't write Y here. You just put I-E-S. Alright? So you kill Y. Alright? You killed it. Alright? You killed it. You kill Y and plus I-E-S here. Good? But there's one more rules in this. Alright. Can you see here? Boy and they. We don't use IES for this. Why? Can anyone tell me why? Can anyone tell me why we don't kill it and put IES? Why? Well, because, can you see here? Here has Y, right? But we don't kill it. We need to keep it. Because here, O and A here. Alright? O and A here. Can anyone tell me what's O and A in our English? I just told you. Alright, here, let's see here. A-E-I-O-U is our what? Vowel, right? So O and A is what? Vowel, right? A-E-I-O-U. Right? This is our vowel. So every time when you see Y, and in front of Y is what? A-E-I-O-U. You need to keep it. Alright? Because vowel can protect, can keep our Y as a baby. Alright? So you need to put S already. Only S. Alright? So boys, days. You need to keep it. You cannot kill it. Alright? Only if it's not A-E-I-O-U in front of it, you just kill it. Alright? Good? Alright, let's move on. The last one is our what? V-E-S. Alright, this is really special too. Look at here. What's these words in common? Can anyone tell me what's this word in common? They all have what? F, right? Yes? Good. But every time when you see F and F-E is the last letter, right? F-E and F. You need to what? You need to kill it. No matter what is in front of it. It's L or I, right? I is vowel, right? But you need to kill it too. You need to kill it. You need to kill it. Alright? Because F is too weak. Alright? It's just a small child. So you need to kill it. No one can protect it. Alright? No one. No one can protect it. So you just put here. War. V-E-S. Alright? You don't need F here. Alright. How about this? Can anyone tell me? This is about what? Knives. Right? You need to kill F-E or F. Knives. Good? Okay, let's review again. Alright, repeat after me. A dog, an apple, a chair, an orange. Good. Alright, when we want to talk about a lot of things, we want to talk about 3 dogs, right? 3 dogs, 2 apples, right? Alright, how about this? When we see S, SH, CH, X, and O, we need to go what? ES, right? So buses, good, brushes, churches, boxes, and tomatoes. Alright, good. Alright, next, baby. Every time when we see white here, and in front of it is not what? It's not A-E-I-O-U. We need to what? Kill them. Alright, we need to kill them. Then we will become babies. And if it has O or Y, A-E-I-O-U in front of it, then we need to what? Keep it, right? You can protect it. So it will be boys and babes, right? Good? Alright, the last one. Wolf. We will what? Kill F no matter what happens. We will kill F. We will kill F-E or F and become what? Wolves. Alright, you need to remember V here. Alright, V. Alright, so knives. Good? Okay. So today this is our lesson. Thank you.